my favorite thing to grill is the lollipop drumsticks. Let's go. Get you some drumsticks. Step, put them on a tray. Sharpen your knife. Then what you're gonna do is cut the ends there, like that. Then you're gonna pull this down. Nice and clean. Get your scissors, cut them. Just pull that down. You got your lollipop there. Next, we're gonna put the foil on these. So all of them should look like that. All right, this is how they should look now. All foiled up. I use Head Country barbecue. Oh yeah. Season them up. Oh yeah. Now to make the secret sauce. So Head Country barbecue sauce, big fan. A little bit of orange juice, just a little bit. Apple cider vinegar. Gonna put a little bit of olive oil. Some honey. Pepper flakes. Believe it or not, a little bit of tahini. You're gonna stir this, okay? Low heat, simmer. You want a pretty watery, kind of like that consistency. It's gonna coat the chicken. First step, always check your grill for cleanliness. Oh, yeah, it gets pretty. All right, we got the fire started. Set them in there real nice, and we'll dip them later. Okay. Bam. Ooh, look at that. Look at that, baby. Look at that. Ooh, getting there, baby. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. They are done. There it is. Thighs. Lollipop style. Oh, yeah. One, two, three. Here it is, folks. This is what you do. Lollipop barbecue. Bathe in barbecue. Okay, here's the result of the barbecue. We got mixed vegetables I made, mashed potatoes, homemade guacamole. And here's a lollipop. Let's taste it. Let's see how it goes. Go. Tender. Melts in your mouth.
Sure does.
You're missing out.